When I say the AMG's murdered out, this is what I'm talking about. 20% on the windshield, 5% all around. Okay, before we really get into anything, I need to switch my little dash. The Super Sport. Honestly, I really mess with this because this reminds me of like supercars and whatnot. Like it makes me feel like I'm driving a Lamborghini. This car is so weird because there's so many nice specs about it, like the G-Wagon steering wheel, the carbon fiber on the interior. I don't know if you can even see that right now because it's so dark in the car, but there's carbon fiber on like the little center console right here. And I know y'all want to, hear the car, so let me just shut the fuck up for a second and just wait. Let me. I don't know if rolling down the window will help. Downshift one more time. Ah! Okay, probably windows up. I'm not gonna lie. Like, the wind is so loud, I can barely hear the car. Oh, nice little downshift. Oh, wait, hold up. Oh, another nice little downshift, little burble. Oh, she's sounding nice, she's sounding nice. Let's hit the gas a little bit. Yo, hold up. Come on, burble. Okay, sometimes she don't want a burble. It's a stock exhaust. Everything's stock about this vehicle. Oh my, oh my, dude. I'm on winter tires. I have like no grip right now. Like, trust me, if I had even all seasons, you would see me absolutely cooking right here. But in winters, it's super sketchy because the suspension is very tight. Like, the suspension is insane. But that's the problem. It makes the car very unpredictable because the tires might just slide out like a random point. So it's a little bit scary at times, I'm not gonna lie. You just gotta, know the limits of your car and not push it too much just because of the limitations of the tires. Oh my. Let me give y'all some burbles. Ooh! Oh! Oh! Yeah, that's what we want to hear. That's what we want to hear. You can see the horsepower in the torque live output the whole video. The one on the right is the torque. The one on the left is the horsepower. I don't think I had like a full throttle pull this entire video. Let me get to a better spot and let me test that real quick and see what we can do. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Ah! If you want to see another cool, POV driving the AMG, but during the day, hey, just watch the video on screen right now.